guys, welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse, and today I am channeling Frida Kahlo as we are going to read Little People Big Dreams, Frida Kahlo, as our last book to celebrate for this amazing month of March with National Women's Month. So we're excited to end it with Frida. So we have a fun little mini lesson for you to do as an accompaniment with this book, and you can download it in a PDF on our website. So we're excited. Little People Big Dreams by Isabel Vergara, Frida Kahlo. Let me get my glasses on. It was fun to dress up like her. I dare you to dress up like Frida with the unibrow. It was super fun. And my students actually had fun dressing up too the last time we did this lesson, so we'll show the pictures of that. Frida Kahlo was born in Mexico. Just by looking at her, you could see she was special. When she was at school, she got very sick. The illness made her leg as skinny as a rake. But Frida didn't complain. She was different. She liked to dress differently too. And here she is. She's wearing boy clothes. A suit, a gentleman's suit. Then one day, a bus Frida was riding crashed into a car. Life as she knew it changed forever. After her accident, Frida had to rest in bed. To help the hours pass, she drew pictures of her foot. And she was laying down so she could see her foot, and that's why she drew the pictures of her foot as she was laying in bed. Then, even though she was still in pain, Frida decided to draw self-portraits using a mirror. And you can do that too at home, looking into a mirror, drawing self-portraits. She visited the famous artist Diego Rivera, who couldn't believe his eyes. He wasn't sure what he liked more, her pictures or her. Frida and Diego fell in love. They were so similar and yet so different. But through their ups and downs, Diego encouraged Frida in her paintings. Through her wonderful pictures, Frida spoke about how she was feeling. In some, she looked sad, but in others, she smiled. Eventually, Frida decided to show everyone her work. Her pictures caused a great stir in New York City. When the exhibition came to Mexico, Frida was so sick she had to be in bed. But it was clear that nothing could stop her from painting, not sickness, pain, or heartache. Frida Kahlo taught the world to wave goodbye to bad things and say, "Viva la vida!" Live life. Here's the timeline for Frida from when she was a little girl, born in 1907, but from the time she was a little girl in 1919 throughout her life to 1944. And here she is sick in bed. So for many years she was at home sick in bed, and it didn't stop her from being a role model for women, for female artists. She made radical change in her art and the way people looked at art and the way people looked at female artists. And she had some controversial paintings, and she was definitely someone who was a risk taker and wasn't afraid. She was very brave. So we're proud of Frida, and we love her work, and we love to be able to celebrate her with you today. I hope you loved the story, and I can't wait, if you dress up as Frida Kahlo as I did, I can't wait to see your costumes, and I can't wait for you to jump into the lesson. You can even hold up a mirror and draw or paint a self-portrait of your own face, just like Frida did. You can even practice doing that in your bed if you'd like. And I can't wait for you to download the PDF and explore that and have fun in your writing.